Arc welding is hard work, but it can be easy and pleasant if your tools are of top quality. Kemppi FastMig M product range offers you an optimal welding machine setup for your particular welding application. You can enjoy welding with magnificent ease, using either synergic or regular mode. FastMig M regular package offers all the necessary perimeter settings in a clear and simple 2-knob control system. It's easy to use in all basic industrial welding applications. With the FastMig M regular package, you get professional quality for an affordable price. For demanding industrial welding applications, you can choose FastMig M Synergic package. It contains a multitude of useful functions that make your welding more easy and more efficient. Everything is presented in a clear control interface, allowing easy usage of memory channels, and showing the selected Synergic welding program clearly on the panel. With a rich selection of welding software, you can optimize the productivity of your FastMig M Synergic machines. The FastMig M Synergic is a versatile, high-quality machine for demanding professional use. You can choose either one of the packages. Your FastMig M will always be customized for your application. You can upgrade your regular setup to Synergic 1 at any time. You can choose the right power level for your application and the wire feeder that best suits your application needs. Kemppi FastMig M can be used with several auxiliary devices, like the Super Snake subfeeder, expanding your work range up to 30 meters. Combined with the MagTrack welding carriage, your FastMig M can bring you many long-term benefits, including higher quality and increased productivity. Kemppi offers various welding software and hardware add-ons that make your welding work more productive and more pleasant, and lets you integrate your FastMig M machines into Kemppi Welding Quality Management System. The FastMig M is a new breed of industrial workhorse, branded with Kemppi's high technology, which brings you various benefits. The FastMig M, a new breed of industrial workhorse. Kemppi, the joy of welding.